Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to GNANGSTUDIO 40. Look at what I have in front of me, brother. iPhone 12 Pro Max case. This is my new clear case. Wow. And this is my first silicone case, brother. The first silicone case ever for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Do you believe it? I want to test this right now with you. And look at that. Boom. This is the clear case that I have bought for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at how it's so different. This case is like this brand new one. The brand new case is the same. Look at that. Jesus Christ. But this is totally different. This is like the brand new one, the brand new case, nothing. And today I decided to buy this just to test and see how it's working. Okay? Don't forget to comment a shot because I'm ready. I want to show you all of this. Get ready for that. Okay? Don't forget to comment a shot. Now, say goodbye to all of them. Bye bye. Welcome back here. And I'm ready. Let's go for the unboxing. Look at this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Amazing phone for you right now. 128 gigabyte. No bad, not bad. 6 gigabyte of RAM is not what? Okay, let's open. Beautiful. Look at how this phone is beautiful. This phone is so nice. Look at that. Look at that, brother. So beautiful. Look at this box. Oh, Apple logo. What are you doing here? Okay. Woo, look at this box. Great box. Okay. Now, look at this phone. This phone has a great camera. Free, amazing camera. Ha ha ha. Look at the design. The new design of Apple. This is like the iPhone 4. Now, let's open. Ooh, look at that. Look at how it look like. Look at how it look like. The screen. Big screen. 6.7 inches. Seriously? Not bad. Look at the end on. So great. So nice. I like. Okay. Now, put this phone. Yeah. Ha ha ha. And put this case. Yeah. Ha ha ha. And now, let's go. I want to open my fake case here. Okay, and test. Let's do it. Okay, for the first time ever, I test the brand new silicone case for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, brother. Wow, this is something new in my YouTube channel. I test this for the first time in my YouTube channel. On my YouTube channel. Nice silicone case. Silicone case for my phone. Silicone case for my phone. Okay. Now let's open this silicone case right now because it's so beautiful. Like this phone is black. Okay, no problem. Open. Remove this case and look at how it looks like. Wow. It's very different. I'm shocked. Wow. Jesus Christ. Look at the Apple logo. Wow. Look at that. Okay. Not bad, brother. Not bad. The head on is just impressive. I'm shocked. I'm use the face for the first time, brother. The first time ever, ever. You can see iPhone inside. Thank you. Look at the texture. Amazing texture. Wow, wow, wow. Uh, Let me show you something first. Wait, wait. Okay. First of all, let me show you how these cases are dirty. The clear case, the problem with the clear case is here. Dirtiness. Very, very dirty every time. Look at here. Look at here. Dirty. All of this, all of it. Dirty. I don't like this because it's so dirty. Do you believe it? Let's make a quick test with this one. Look at camera. Okay. Nice. Look at how it look like. Oh my god. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But it's dirty. But it's dirty. It's dirty. Look at how it's dirty. How is it dirty? Let's test the next. Silicone case 2. Come here. No. Clear case 2. Come here. Look at. I like this design because of the corner, border. Look at. I like this because of this. But it's also dirty. Look at here. Look at that. Oh my god. It's dirty. Oh Jesus. Help me. Okay. Now let's remove this thing, brother. And let's test for the first time ever the brand new silicone case. It's new, very, very new, brother. Very new. It's so new, like my new baby. Look at that. Okay. Let's test this thing. Put it inside. Okay. Look at how it look like. I don't know how. Ooh, very comfortable. Ooh, nice. Wow. Look at that. This is my brand new clear case on my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue. And look at how it's so blue. You can see black here and black in the camera. On the camera. Ooh, I like. Look at under. I don't know. Look at the size different. I don't know. What do you think? Look at the power button. Volume up. Do this. Again. Do this. And volume up. Wow, volume up is not comfortable. Volume down also is not comfortable, brother. What about power button? It's not comfortable. I don't know why, but it's definitely not comfortable. Jesus Christ, what I can do. And look at how it looks like. It looks like something very big. Very, very, very big. Okay, let me turn on this phone. Oh, as you can see, now it's on. Turn on. I'm testing this for the first time, brother. Look at how it looks like. It's so big. Let me put my passcode. Battery. Oh, look at. What do you think, brother? I don't know. I don't know. This is my first silicone test ever. Something I like is the border. The border is very impressive, very good. You can put this on the table, just like that. But I think that is very, 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 is very. What can I say to you? What can I say this in English? It's very, it's very heavy. Okay, thank you. Heavy. I don't know. English was so beautiful. It's very, very, very heavy. This is what I think. It's become wow, very, very heavy, Baba. Very, very, very heavy. Look at that. Jesus Christ. I don't know what to think about this, but for me, it's definitely heavy. Look at how it looks like. Wow. I don't know. What can I do? Look at Face ID. Bam. Still working. But this one still very, very heavy, 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 heavy. Very, very, very heavy. Wow. Okay, set me what you think about this. And I see you later for more videos. Wow. Not bad. But it's still heavy. Look at the corner. My first silicone piece. Jesus Christ. I don't know. I don't know. But it's still beautiful. Still beautiful. Let's try to remove. Easy to remove this. It's very, very easy. Look at. Wow. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Let me what you think about this and see you later for more videos. Wow. It's very, very heavy, definitely. Definitely heavy. Okay. Wow. I don't know if I like or not, but I can say to you easily that is so heavy. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. This video. Not bad. This one is amazing phone. Wow. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, great. Wow. Definitely heavy. Okay, goodbye. Don't forget to comment on this video.